Welcome to the best picks. The best U-joint is probably one of the most critical components in any drivetrain, transmitting power smoothly from the transmission to the axles, and its quality directly impacts your vehicle's performance, safety, and longevity. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, choosing the right U-joint is crucial, and this video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect U-joint for your needs, ensuring a smooth and reliable ride. Number 5. Spicer 1310 U-joint kit. This kit is a Spicer 1310 series U-joint, designed for superior performance and durability. It's built to withstand tough conditions and keep your vehicle running smoothly. It features a greasable design for easy maintenance and extended lifespan. Regular lubrication will keep it running smoothly for years to come. This U-joint uses an outside snap ring style for easy installation and secure fit. This makes replacement quick and simple. As a 1310 series joint, it's compatible with a wide range of vehicles and applications. Check your vehicle's specifications to ensure compatibility. It has a bearing cap diameter of 1.062 inches and a bearing cap to bearing cap distance of 3.219 inches. These dimensions are critical for proper fit and function. The Spicer 5-153X kit provides everything you need for a complete replacement. This ensures a seamless and reliable repair. What we like. It boasts a convenient greasable design and secure snap rings. If you prioritize easy maintenance and a long-lasting solution, this is the perfect choice for your vehicle. This ensures smooth operation and reduces wear and tear, making it ideal for those who value reliability and longevity. What people say. It fits Ford Explorer 2006 4th generation perfectly. Works great, perfect fit on truck, working excellent. Great quality and smooth operation, direct fit for my 2002 Sequoia. No issues with installation. Number 4. Spicer 5-1310X U-joint kit. This kit is a Spicer 1310 SPL22 series universal joint, designed for superior performance and durability. It's a non-greasable design for easy maintenance. It features a non-greasable design, eliminating the need for regular lubrication and reducing maintenance hassles. This saves you time and effort. This is an outside snap ring style, OSR, universal joint, making installation and removal quick and simple. The snap rings ensure a secure and reliable connection. It has a bearing cap diameter of 1.062 inches and a bearing cap to bearing cap length of 3.219 inches. These precise dimensions ensure a perfect fit for your application. It's built to provide superior performance and long-lasting reliability. Experience the quality and dependability of Spicer. This U-joint is part of the Spicer 1310 SPL22 series, known for its high quality and reliability. It's a trusted choice for demanding applications. What we like. This one is designed with non-greasable construction and durable snap rings. If you prefer a low-maintenance option that requires minimal upkeep, this is a great fit. Its robust design ensures reliable performance, making it a smart choice for those seeking a hassle-free experience. What people say. It comes preloaded with grease in the precise amounts needed to be balanced on all four corners. Also, it doesn't have holes drilled in for grease nipples, so it's considered stronger than the greasable kind. The different colors for the clips are explained on the bags, but they have different thicknesses. Copper-colored are standard thickness, the thicker ones are there if you need to take up extra space to prevent the U-joint from having play, and the instructions also tell you to use those in pairs so the U-joint is always perfectly centered in the yoke. These are good joints. Don't grease them, and rent a ball joint press, and it should go fine. Number 3. Spicer 5-178X U-joint kit. This kit is designed for a smooth, reliable driving experience. It's engineered to exacting standards for optimal performance. Specifically designed for your 2019 Ford Transit van, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. It's compatible with the 3.7L V6 gas engine, providing a seamless upgrade for your vehicle. This is a 1350 series kit, offering superior strength and durability. It's designed for off-road strength and reliability. It's built to last, providing long-term performance and peace of mind. You can count on it to handle tough conditions. This kit is designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. Get back on the road quickly. What we like. Specifically designed for Ford Transit vans, it offers a perfect fit and reliable performance. If you own a Ford Transit and need a dependable replacement, this is your best bet. Its precision engineering ensures seamless integration with your vehicle's drivetrain, providing a smooth and efficient driving experience. What people say. They went in just like they should on my Tundra double cab. These appear to be of very good quality and so far they ride very well. The quality of these U-joints are fantastic and I would recommend purchasing if they will fit your vehicle. Number 2. All Balls Racing 19 to 1005 U-joint. It meets or exceeds original equipment manufacturer specifications for fit and performance. This ensures a perfect replacement for your Polaris ATV. This is a 100% brand new aftermarket U-joint, built to the same standards as the original. It's a direct replacement for a smooth, reliable ride. It has been rigorously tested by engineers to guarantee optimal performance. You can depend on it in any weather conditions. Professionals and beginners alike choose this part because it fits and performs just like the original. It's the smart choice for your repair. Always check the Amazon compatibility tool to ensure it fits your vehicle. Look for additional notes if you see a blue eye icon. What we like. Built to meet or exceed OEM specifications, it ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance for your Polaris ATV. If you need a reliable replacement part for your Polaris ATP 334x4, this is the ideal choice. Its superior quality and precise engineering guarantee a smooth and trouble-free ride. What people say. Fit fine, includes different grease fitting options or a plug. Part #19-1005 works on a 2000 Polaris Expedition 425 rear drive shaft even though Amazon says it doesn't. That being said, this part number most likely is good for the front drive shaft as well. Very pleased with the quality. Had no issues replacing the U-joints on my 15-year-old rear drive shaft, it was blown so bad I also replaced the yokes. Seems to be good quality, no issues with assembly, and the grease circ makes them better than OEM in my opinion. Number 1. East Lake Axle U-joint set. This U-joint set is a perfect replacement for your Polaris ATV UTV. It's designed for a smooth, reliable ride. It comes with everything you need for an easy installation. This includes 2 U-joints and 8 C-clips. This U-joint set fits various Polaris ATV UTV models. Please check the product description to ensure compatibility with your machine. Some Polaris models have multiple U-joint options. Verify your U-joint's OE number matches the listing before purchasing. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 2-year no-fault warranty. It's designed as a direct replacement for the front drive shaft U-joint. This ensures a proper fit and function. Before purchasing, please verify that this item is compatible with your specific Polaris ATV UTV model and year. All years and models are listed in the product description. What we like. It comes with a 2-year warranty and is designed for Polaris ATV UTV models. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable replacement with added peace of mind, this is a great option. The included warranty ensures your investment is protected, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious consumers. What people say. These U-joints work as designed and install very easy. 500 miles, still good. Worked well and good replacement for front drive shaft U-joints 2012 Sportsman 500. When installing you have to be careful with small I-joints. The bearing needles can easily fall into bottom of bearing cap, and if it does you will notice looking at U-joint's cap is not completely seated against rubber seal. Also joint will be tight with no free play, this destroying itself when used. Also when C-clip retainers installed ensure to tap U-joints loose again to make sure they hold. I had one pop off even after I visually checked closely then tapped lightly to see if seated. I believe if part is correct all issues reported are from bad installation of U-joints and not manufacturer issue. I've installed many on everything. These took me the longest due to being so small and carefully. Just how ATVs are with some parts. If you joint's not your install thing but drive shaft complete you can. I rate product 5 stars as my machine has been through everything rocks mountains mud deep water and back with these already and no issues. But I am a pro installer also. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.